Hi, little one. Where are we going? We want to climb? Nope, we gotta hide. We can hide, I guess. Giving you a chance to stretch your legs here. Hi. Yeah, I know, I'm way up here, aren't I? I'm very strange. Oh, where are we going? We're gonna wander? We're gonna explore a little bit? Good chance for you to get your legs under you a little bit and, you know, build them up. Now don't worry, we'll go back and see Mama soon. Hi. Yeah. We're pretty content right now, aren't we? This is nice. Very strange, but nice, huh? Trying to keep warm, little one? You prefer it in the hand at the moment? Yeah, it is very warm. There we go. How do you think about that? Yeah, hand is nice, right? Hand is good and warm. You can hunker down. Probably nearly time for more food, though. Gotta demand some from Mom, huh? We got you some food if you ever need some, but I think your mom is handling it just fine, really, to be honest. Oh, might be time for baby Budgie nap. Baby Budgie nap. Because being baby Budgie is very tiring. It is. Well, hey. Oh, what are we doing? Are we yawning? Are we yawning, my friend? Yeah, probably time to bring you back to Booster. I brought you here so you can stretch your legs, because you've been, wanting to move around, see things, explore. Let's see that. Would you like to try that? See, you got a little room here for the spare room. Lots of room to move. Oh, yeah. Oh, we go this way, we go this way. Where are we going? We're gonna hide under my foot. Well, I guess we could do that too. That's a good place to be. Hide under the foot. Oh, we're gonna go under the cardboard box. Okay, I probably gotta get you out of there and bring you back to Mom now. Say bye-bye.